Good morning, everybody. I'm back with another Python practice video breakdown of my daily coding challenge. Today, I am on filter positive numbers coding challenge, and that is in the Data Emotions Pro Python Challenge course. I'll leave a link in the description below in case you guys want to check that out. Let's go ahead and get started with the instructions. It says use a list comprehension, write a function named filter positive numbers that takes a list of integers as input and returns a new list containing only the positive numbers from the input list. So as usual, I already created a test case in my main where I have created a list here. And then what we're going to do is we are going to assign our function here that they told us to name our solution function, and we're going to pass in that list called numbers. And then at the bottom here, only thing we have to do is print that return value. Okay, and I gotta remove these because that don't go there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on defining that function. I already copied the name, so now let's just define it here. And the name they told us that we should name it. And then inside of the arguments, it said we want to give it a list of integers. So we could just say it's going to take in a list. So a underscore list. And that is our function declaration there. We just gave the name and we said that it is going to be accepting a list. So it wants us to return a new list containing only the positive numbers from the input list, and it wants it using list comprehension. So let's go ahead and get started on that return. So we're going to be returning, and we'll put the brackets there for our new list. So what we want to do is we want to check each number within that list that was passed and see if it is positive. If it's positive, we want it to be appended to our return list. So let's go ahead and call each item in our list number. So we want number for number that's in the list that's passed. So that's going to check each number in that list that's passed. And we want to grab the number in that list if the number is positive. So only if the number is greater than 0. Oh, that's less than. Lord, greater than or equal to 0. We'll do it that way. All right, so that looks like that should be it. So what we're doing essentially is we're going to check each number in that list. And if the number is greater than or equal to 0, we will be appending that number as a number to our return list. So let's go ahead and test this out and see did I do everything correctly here. So let's go ahead and go in our console here, Python 3, and we'll start feeding in the name. And then tab it over, and that'll auto-complete the name for us. Let's hit enter and see what we get. So we're getting 0, 1, and 2. So as you can see, we're returning the positive number. I'm not sure if they wanted 0 included, but if we don't want 0 included, only thing we would have to do is remove that equal sign there, and then let's rerun it. And then you're just getting a 1 and 2. So it was really straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any tips for me. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great Friday, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.